I'm Pat Gleasing, President of the StoneHill Group. I wanted to share some exciting news with you about our new Mortgage Driver technology. We take mortgage files that are unorganized, unsearchable blobs and add structure and searchability, and then extract key data elements from key documents. Mortgage Driver lets you automate origination, servicing, audit, compliance, and many additional functions. This next-generation capability will solve a multitude of mortgage processing use cases, fueling automation, improving data accuracy, and delivering high efficiency beyond the bounds of legacy approaches. Now you can harness the power of your data through deep understanding and comprehensive classification. Mortgage Driver is unique in the industry in using advanced visual classification from our partners at Beyond Recognition. Let's take a look at an example of one of the main deliverables from Mortgage Driver, a fully searchable, bookmarked PDF loan file. Loan analysts can expand or collapse top-level bookmarks and can view specific documents by clicking on second-level bookmarks. Bookmarks are, of course, only useful if documents have been consistently and correctly classified. This is where visual classification is so critical. It does this initial classification by visually analyzing pages, but without regard to whether they have any particular text values. It works like fingerprint analysis and facial recognition. It doesn't use text. Visual classification automatically groups visually similar documents so that the largest clusters can be examined and classified. There are no classification rules or scripts to write, no exemplars to identify. Basically, the data informs the subject matter experts about what is in a document collection. Here's what the classification software looks like. Clusters are listed in the upper left. Individual documents in the selected cluster are listed at the bottom. The document image in the main part of the window corresponds to the document selected in the bottom listing. The classification tree used to assign classifications is shown on the left. Here you can see a loan analyst examining several clusters and examining individual documents within the clusters. As new documents come online, new visual clusters may form. If so, a loan analyst simply assigns classifications to each of them. Here's a different look at the document classification tree. Clients can add to the tree or modify this one to meet their specific needs. Clients may want to group bookmarks in PDFs to enable loan analysts to be the most efficient when performing certain tasks. The top level usually represents a specific task or job function, and nested beneath that are document types needed for those tasks or functions. This is a closer look at an example stacking order. Mortgage file use cases require content enablement. That is, to be able to search and extract the text that appears on the face of the documents. Visual classification avoids long-standing OCR accuracy issues by clustering individual symbols and characters and assigning text values to them. Text values are obtained using those mapped values, not by using legacy OCR software. On the left is a PDF image version. On the right is the text extracted from that page as shown in a text editor. Mortgage Driver text is highly accurate, and equally important for data extraction, it provides the column and row formatting of the original page. Mortgage Driver extracts data values and reports the tags or columns and row headings that described those data elements in the original documents. This is an example of an attribute extraction report. It includes the document identifier for the document, the Tier 1 and Tier 2 classification it was assigned, the tag label, and the tag value. The last column indicates how many occurrences there were for that particular data value in the whole loan file. This type of detailed extraction report can obviously drive many downstream mortgage process use cases. This introductory video has only scratched the surface of applying Mortgage Driver technology to your specific use cases. For more information, contact us at info@stonehillgroup.com. We'd love to start a dialogue with you and ultimately show you Mortgage Driver results obtained from processing some of your loan files. We look forward to hearing from you.